What are the requirements for the coal mine control console? In the coal mine energy control center, the production requirements of coal mine console involve many aspects to ensure that it has a high degree of reliability, stability, and ease of use in practical applications. Here are some of the key production requirements for Kesino control stations. First, during the design and production process, the console needs to be ergonomically and physically designed to ensure that its structure has good hardness and strength, as well as excellent electromagnetic isolation, grounding, noise isolation, and ventilation and heat dissipation performance. Secondly, the coal mine console should have good impact resistance, corrosion resistance, vibration resistance, water resistance, dust resistance, and radiation resistance. The console should also facilitate monitoring and scheduling, and provide convenience to the user. The equipment should have good usability and protective facilities, easy to operate, install, and maintain.